Oh fuck, I just break random things. Nice. Hello? Was I not meant to break that? Oh my god. Am I controlling this? I can't tell. The fuck was that?
Does that mean there are two
Wait, they didn't say
Nefariouses now?
it.
Clank first, Nefarious later. Maybe he's in this bazaar.
Maybe. Does it matter which way I go? What the fuck is this? But so that's where my ship's gonna be. Is there something that I'm missing? Is this thing gonna go? Huh? Am I... What? Hello? Oh my god. No. Hello? What do you want from me? What do you want from me? I throw a fucking bomb at it. Okay. Hold up. Hold up, we might be onto something.
It can't get past me.
Yeah, I'm a freaking genius. Oh, oh. What was that sound? Oh, rare titanium. Great. There's a whole wall jump puzzle to it. And I just like, yeah, nah.
I got it! See? Sometimes I don't crash.
Please be careful.
Nah,
What can I say about backseat driving?
Ah. I see another rift thing of it. What the fuck?